Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so guys, I hope you all loving my videos and you all enjoying my videos, and I think you will definitely subscribe to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to showing you the makeup of Raksha Bandhan. And this is my look after the makeup, and you can see here over the video now. And I just kept a very simple makeup for the Raksha Bandhan because it's just a Raksha Bandhan makeup, right? It's not like wedding guests or parties or everything. It's just a simple makeup look. Every girl can easily put their makeup by themselves. And for this video, let's start it into the video first. And for the first, I'm going to be using this toner. I was just tapping the toner to my face. I was just using the Good Vibes toner, and for the next I'm going to using this serum, and I'm going to using this Marula serum for the face, and this is also from Good Vibes. I just kept 2 to 3 dots over my face, and now I'm going to be blending this serum over my face, neck, everything. I was just blending this serum. If you have primer, and you can use the primer. If you are not having the primer, you can use this serums and all. And for the next, directly I'm going to the part of the foundation because I doesn't have any primers and all. Instead of primer, I have been used the serum. And for the next step, I'm going to using this Lakme foundation. If you have Fit Me, you can use that, and that's up to you. I have the Lakme. For this video, I'm going to using this Lakme foundation. I just tapping the foundation under my eyes, cheeks, and my nose, forehead area, and to my neck also. And you can see now I was just tapping a bit of foundation. I was not putting a more foundation. I was just kept a bit of foundation. And for the next, I'm going to take this beauty blender for blending my foundation. I was just blending my foundation over my face. For the first, I was blending the foundation on my cheeks, and for the next, I'm gonna be blending this foundation over my nose, neck area, and everything. After the neck, I'm blending this over my forehead and my nose. And you can see here, I just kept a strip of foundation on my nose. You can see there. And I was just blending, and I took the corner side of the beauty blender, and I was just blending the corner side of the beauty blender under my eyes and overall my eyes. You can see there, and that's the part of the foundation. And for the next, I'm going for the concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to using this Kiss Beauty Concealer Palette. I'm going to using a very light shade concealer because it looks like a natural shine. For that, I'm going to using a very light shade. I was just applying it to my under eyes and over eyes. And you can see that I just kept a bit of concealer to my forehead and nose and chin. And I just kept a bit of concealer on my cheeks too. And now again I'm going to using this blender and blend this concealer over my eyes, nose, and forehead, cheeks, everything. You can see that. If you were not having the blenders, you can use your hand. If you were having the brushes, you can use the brush, and that's up to you. I have the blender, and that's the part of the concealer. And for the next, I'm going to apply the Johnson's Baby powder as a loose powder. If you have loose powders like Lakme loose powder or Fit Me loose powder, whatever, and that's up to you. I was just using a Johnson's Baby powder, which you can easily expense your money on buying these Johnson's Baby products, right? I was just using these Johnson's Baby products, and you can see that I was just blending this powder over my face, neck area, and everything. And this is the look after the powder. And for the next, I'm going to be wearing my eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I'm going to choosing a pinky shade which suits my skin. First of all, for the step 1, I'm going to using this orange shade which suits my skin, and it's a base type. I was using this orange shade for the base, only for the base. It gives nice base to your eyes. By that it looks more attractive after you put your eye makeup and everything. And now for the next, I'm going to using a pinkish color with shimmer type. Now we can see there I was just blending this orange shade over over my eyes too. And for the next, I'm gonna using this pinky shade which suits my outfit, and it is a shimmer type pinkish one. You can see there. I was just blending it over my eye area. I was not mixing two colors over here. I was just using one color to the eye. It's a shimmer type one. I was not just mixing two colors, two shades and everything. I just used only one shade for the eye, and you can see there it's a shimmer type shade. You can easily see there it's like shimmer, glitter and everything. And that's the shade which I took for today. It suits my outfit. You can see there. I was just keeping some more because it has less shine, so I just wanted to keep more shine to the eye. So this is the eyeshadow part, and for the next, and for the layer, top layer, I'm going using this light pinky shade without. It is a nude shade. It is a nude pink shade. You can see there. I was just applying the shimmer one now, and for the next, I was just thinking what color should I keep as a posh look, and I just wanted to put a very light nude shade, and for that I'm going to using that very light pink. I was just giving a touch to the eye, and it gives a posh look to your eye. You can observe to my eyes, it was so shimmery on the lower part and it was so nude in the upper part. You can see there, and that's the eyeshadow part. And for the contour, I'm going to using the dark brown shade in the same eyeshadow palette. I was not expend my money to contours and everything. I just use this eyeshadow palette. I just use only one eyeshadow palette for many many makeup ways. Like I use this eyeshadow palette as a highlighter, as a contour and as a eyeshadows. I use this palette in 3 ways, and I think this is cost around 500, I think so. Coming to the contour part, I was just using a very dark brownish color. You can see there. For the blending the contour, I took this crunchy brush. You can see there. I was just blending the contour on my nose first of all, and the blending of the nose has been completed, I think so. And for the next, I'm gonna blending this over my cheeks. You can see now. I just wanted to use a mirror and now I'm going to be blending this contour with the crunchy brush. You can see there, and I'm going to blend the cheek area, and this is how you have to blend the contour, and that's my contour part. You can see there I was blending it to the other. Have been given in the description. If you wanted to check, you can go there and you can check the description box. And for now, I'm using this highlighter over my nose and down at the eyebrows and cheeks too. I was just using a bit of highlighter. I was not using a more highlighter to highlight my face. I was just using a very bit of highlighter. Blending with my hand. I just don't wanted to use any brushes or everything. I just used my hand to blend the highlighter, and that's the part of the highlighter. If you were not able to expend your money on highlighters, you can use your eye shades, like light shades, eye shades as a highlighter too. I'll show you in the other video. And in this video, coming to the topic, and now I'm gonna be using this mascara to my lashes. I was just giving a curve to my lashes. You can see there. In the every video I'll be definitely sticks to my nose and everything. It's a very big problem to me. Please avoid those expressions and all in my video. And for now I'm going to using a mirror to put the mascara properly to my lashes. I think there is a fault of this brush. I think so. I have to change the brush, and that's the part of the mascara. You can see that I was just keeping a bit of mascara to my lower lashes too. It gives a very nice sharp look to your eyes. eyeliner part, you can see there. I was just giving a little touch to my eyes. I was just giving a very little shade to my eyes. And for the next, going to the eyebrows part, I'm going to be putting a very blackish shade eyebrow pencil to my eyebrows. I was just using a brush. If you have pencils, you can use that, and that's up to you. I was using a brush because it's very easier process for me. I was just blending this brush over my eyebrows. It's just a very simple process for me. I think so. Everyone have to use these brushes. It's a very simple process and it's a very easy process, and that's what's super awesome. I think so. And that's the eyebrows part. And for the next, I'm going to the lipstick. I'm going to using this very cheap and best product, Maybelline lipstick. It's around 90 rupees, I think so. And that's the very pinkish shade, and this was a very nude shade, you can see there. I was just giving a little tap to my lips because I just wanted to put a very nude shade and a very light strip to my lips because it's just Raksha Bandhan makeup, right? I just don't want to put over makeup for this Raksha Bandhan makeup. I just wanted to keep a very little, and that's the lipstick part, you can see there. I was just blending the lipstick, and this is the final look, you can see there. And now I just wanted to put my earrings. For the earrings, I was taken this large size of earrings, you can see there. They are also in pinkish color, and this is a black metal earrings, you can see there. And now I just wanted to put my hairstyle. For the hairstyle, I'm not going to put any hairstyle. I was just leaving my hair in loose way, you can see there. Now I'm going to open my hairband right now, and that's the look. I just kept a very little bindi to my face. That's a black in color. If you want to keep a color bindi, then that's up to you. I just use this very little black bindis to my face. It suits my face. So, and that's the reason I use this black bindi. Most of you are asking me to do in our middle class budget products, and for the next video I'm going to be showing more products in that video. And for this video I'm just showing you the normal products which I regularly use. And for the next video I'm going to show you all the products which every middle class family can expense their money to buy the makeup products. And that's the makeup look, guys, you can see there. It looks a very nude makeup shades, and it looks very natural, and it looks so gorgeous, you can see there. I was so happy with this makeup look, and it looks so cute, you can see there. It's a very simple process, and that's super duper awesome, I think so. I hope you will all like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends, family and everything. And for the next video I'm going to be showing you a budget makeup, right? And this is the look, guys, and this is my outfit. I just wear a pink outfit, and that's the video. Bye bye.